All right, first time on the ice with my Lowrance Hook2, the open water unit, and I'm gonna test it out. I just drilled a hole. This is my makeshift mount for the transducer, which I think it should fit down in the hole just like that. Plug it in. Put on the mount. Let's turn it on. And the reason why I wanted to use this open water unit is that is a Tripleshot transducer, and my hope is I can use the side imaging to kind of get a lay of the land in this area here. All right, let's put the deucer down, see what it says. All right, there we go. We are at about 15 feet. Looks like there's fish at the bottom. This is the history. This is what you see after it has passed through. This is the live on this column here. So it looks like right at the bottom there's 3-4 lines, the red and blue that's flashing kind of squiggly right there. So I think that's fish. And so I'm gonna dig a couple holes, throw my lure down, and we'll see if we can catch some fish today. All right, you can see the graph is lit up. So let's see if we can catch some fish. I got 2 rods here with me. I'm gonna start off with this tungsten with this little bug here, and we'll see what happens. Look at all the fish down there, 12 feet. So you should see my lure start falling down. You should see it start to go down there. And there it is. You see my lure dropping? That's my lure right there dropping down to the fish. And here comes the fish already. Fish is coming up to check it out. Come on. Go for it. Whoa. Look at that graph go crazy. Come on, y'alls. You can take it. Look at that graph just go crazy. Wow. Come on. They just gotta take it now. Oh my goodness, there's a ton of fish down here. I wonder what it is. You can see my lure bouncing up and down. You can see the zigzags there. Here comes the fish. Lift it up. Come on. You know you want it. There's a ton of fish down there, y'all. There is a ton of fish. I just don't know what it is. But look at that graph just go crazy. This is why I like the Sonar. You can see all the different fish that are stacked down there. You can see my lure. This is my lure right there. And as I raise it up, you can see the fish following it up. They're looking at it, but they're not taking it. You can see my lure jigging up and down. And it's going back down. Oh, I just had a bite. Just had a bite. You can see where I set the hook, that little spike. I felt the nibble. Look at that. That's crazy. Come on. If you guys don't want it, I'm bringing it up. So you can see now I'm up at 8 feet. And there's one coming up. Get it? They're checking it out. They're following my lure up, but they're just not taking it. Take it, come on. Oh, a little nibble. Probably just some tiny fish, but hey, we're getting some nibbles. We're getting some nibbles. Alright, bring it up. Bring it up. Alright. So here is my setup for the Lowrance Hook2 open water setup. I just rigged up this quick DIY PVC piping here that holds up the transducer. There's my little pack, sits on top of the ice. So far, as you can see, it's working great. All that is fish down there. You can see the fish has the depth, the water temperature. You can see the fish down way at the bottom there at about 12 to 16 feet. And everything seems to be working fine. So let me just take this quick out. Here's what it looks like. You can move it around, obviously, but so here's what it looks like. I've got it rigged up right now. I have it on a piece of wood and my PVC piping. But when I have time, I'm gonna throw it on a piece of metal. But you just drop it in there and have it sit this way. The transducer is facing this way, so it's scanning left and right, or up and down right now. If I wanted to scan left and right, I just switch it like that. Just switch it that way, and now it's scanning left and right. You can see when I made the adjustment in the graph, that's what shows up on the graph. This DIY seems to be working. I just have to catch a fish now.